Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix something is wrong error in your TikTok shop. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you can do here is to wait for some time. So in the first place, you're recommended to wait a moment and try again if you receive the message or the error. So just as the message describes, it is probably due to a server error. Then you have nothing to do but wait for the TikTok to fix the issue and make its servers come back to work. And then the next thing that you can do is to restart your TikTok or your phone. So one of the easy fixes is to force stop the TikTok application and reopen it. And if that fails, just handle the further, or you can further restart your mobile device to have a try. So simply long press your power button, and after that just swipe up or swipe down or whatever applies to you, and then just turn off your phone and then turn it back on again. And after that, after you've done that and the problem still persists, what you can do lastly is to log into your TikTok or switch TikTok account. So another easy way you can immediately do is to log out of your current user account and log in again, or you can try to use another account if you have one. So anyway, just make sure that your current TikTok account is not blocked by TikTok or regarded as an inactive account. So if the problem persists, you can also try to create a new TikTok account to enjoy its videos with a new credential. And so that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you can do if you're encountering the something went wrong error in your TikTok shop. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell buttons so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.